What is up, everyone? In today's video, we're going to be talking about the 2Hype drama and Mopi's official response to it all. Now, there's a lot to cover with this whole 2Hype drama, so if you're interested, make sure to stay to the end and I will go over everything. And if you're not, this is not the video for you, so go to another video on my channel and watch it, and you'll probably be interested. Now, for those of you who may not be familiar with 2Hype is an American group who makes YouTube videos, sort of like the Sidemen, but American, and they basically make these basketball challenges. Now, just like some of you, I used to watch 2Hype when I was younger. I used to watch Cash Nasty and a lot of the members of the group, so I can personally say this whole drama has really hit me. It's really insane to look at. Now, being that you're most likely wondering, well, what's going on with 2Hype since you keep talking about they were in this insane, massive drama? Let me just elaborate for you, alright? Because it's interesting and it is a long story. Now, a pretty beloved member of the group named Mopi ended up having a lot of drama with the group because at one point he was not in videos and everybody was wondering what was going on with him, and they were pretty curious to see if he was okay. So Jester and a few more members of 2Hype originally addressed where Mopi was to explain that everything was okay and he was still a part of 2Hype.
If you guys haven't seen, Mopi hasn't uploaded on his personal channel in over a month, and the reason for that, he's been taking a break from all things internet, everything we've been doing. So all the videos we have been posting with him in it have been filmed like over a month ago. Mopi's been taking a break for personal health, and we just ask that you guys respect his decision to do that, like us. And to clarify, Mopi is definitely still in 2Hype. We all love him. There's no bad blood, all positive vibes.
Now, when this was released, everybody was happy. They were like, yeah, we finally know what's going on with Mopi. We can finally rest in peace. I did not mean it that way. We all thought we had the answer to the situation. We all thought we knew what was going on, but no, little did we know some hot drama was brewing behind the scenes. Because the night of the Streaming Awards, 2Hype basically ended up winning an award, and Mopi ended up tweeting L-Hype and making a whole entire tweet about the situation, basically going at them. And ever since then, a lot has come out, including leaked calls of basically them explaining that members have been getting kicked out for not aligning with the group's brand, and a whole bunch of other insane drama, which would be too long if I explained in this video. For a quick little idea, members like Los Polos and TD have basically been coming out against 2Hype. Now, finally, we can actually get into Mopi's actual response. Now, Mopi started off his response by saying he is not doing it for clout, and he is indeed leaving 2Hype. He also decided to talk about how he completely turned down the 100 Thieves offer. He went on to talk about the only people he respects in 2Hype still are Cash and Mitchell. Now, Mopi talked about how they sent a cease and desist letter basically threatening to sue him, even though he hadn't said anything at all yet, which is very, very weird. Like, that makes no sense at all. If you truly have nothing to hide, why are you threatening to sue someone if they speak on a situation, if their claims are supposedly false? Now, Mopi also went on to state how Jester tried to paint him as mentally unstable and said he was fighting demons as a manipulation tactic. He literally tried to say that Mopi was fighting demons to make it seem as if anything he said could not be trusted. Mopi also talked about how Jester reached out to his brother, basically saying he wanted to keep all the drama offline, but continued to talk about Mopi in his next video. And the funny thing is, Jester also went on to ask Mopi what was his intentions with the L-Hype tweet and if he wanted the bag. It's honestly really insane that this man is taking it to that point and that length. Mopi went on to talk about how Jester tried to use the fact that he's done favors for him in the past to make him feel bad, and how Jester took 51% of his VR channel's revenue. And Mopi went on to talk about how Jester wasn't willing to give up 1% of his salary to an elementary school friend, and the guy was running low on money at that. It just really goes to show how much of an selfish guy Jester can really be. And honestly, it's just sad to see this all go down. Like, I used to look up to Mopi, I used to look up to all those guys, and now it's just crazy because I don't know who to believe. Like, even if you still support 2Hype, you can't sit here and say you cannot understand where Mopi is coming from, because if they did this, they are wrong, and there's no defending that. And also the fact that they just completely tried to silence him, it is really weird, and you cannot deny the fact that that seems sus on their end. But yeah, to conclude this video, there is some stuff that's probably gonna come out on both ends even more, so yeah, let's all just sit back, wait, and see what happens. If you enjoyed, make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you're new here. Alright, I'm trying to hit 2K. Alright, we already hit 1K, we're going for the next big thing. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
24/7, 365. I be blowing gas just to get by. Pockets like a grave, it's all dead guys. I won't ever talk, leave my lips tied. She just called my phone for the 10th time. I won't call her back, I'm not inclined. Rockin' Rick Owens with the number 9s. I just pot a purr, now I'm feeling fine. Drop a Xan in my coffee, you can say I'm booted. I wasn't allowed in the schools, they said I was stupid. Just deposited 25, I'm not 25. Caught my first charge before I could even drive. Know a girl who model, all she wear designer. feel like a model. I'm